Okay, Dr. Hubner, Natural Transplants, and I am delighted that one of my patients came back at 4 months, and already he's having some great results, but he wanted to be anonymous on this video. But the reason I'm doing this video is because I want to show scar. So we have a lot of people that are always worried about scar. So this patient had a procedure, a strip procedure, prior to coming to us, and I'll show you his scar that he was left with, and wasn't that great. He had a little bit of a wider, well, not a little bit of a wider, he had almost a pinky wide area on his left side. Hopefully that shows up. And you can see it goes all the way around, and also a little bit wider on this side here. So, and then what we did is we went above all that. So my scar, there's the prior scar. My scar is right there. So I'm going to try to show you. Anyway, it's really hard to find actually, but pencil line. You can see the difference. Running a comb through this section easily shows the scar, and if I continue up, here's mine. So pencil line. I don't know if you can see it there. I'll try to put some pictures on there so you can see. Again, old scar there. My scar there. So really happy with how it healed, and he even comments that you know, a lot of the doctors have commented, a lot of patients have commented that, you know, it's definitely a clean incision, and so again, there is a difference between scars in terms of where you go, and it's important to do your research. Thanks again.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.